Welcome to the phone transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to add name in camera photo. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Samsung phone and open the camera app. You can easily find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. In the camera app, look for the settings icon. You'll find it at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the camera settings menu. Step 3. Once you're inside the camera settings, scroll down until you see the watermark option, then tap on it. Right now, this option is disabled by default. Step 4. Now, simply tap on the toggle button to turn the watermark feature on. This will enable a default watermark on your photos. Step 5. If you want to customize the model name or add your own name, tap on the Edit button. A text box will appear where you can type your preferred name. For example, you can type our channel name. Once you're done, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. Step 6. To check if the name has been added successfully, go back to the camera app and take a photo. Wait a few seconds, then open the recently captured image. You'll now see the name you added displayed on the photo. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.